Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another outdoor yoga. Let's go ahead and get started. That is it for my video for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you check out the links down in the description box below to see more of me other than here on my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.